Good morning, students. So in previous video we have discussed the chapter The Sniper, and I have said you to discuss the question answers. So now this is the question answers of chapter 1, The Sniper. So first question, describe the Republican sniper as he lay in hiding on the rooftop. Answer: the sniper was laying on a rooftop near O'Connell Bridge. He had his rifle set next to him and he was carrying his field glasses on his shoulder. Full stop. The sniper is described as young, evidenced by the fact that he looked like a student. His eyes are described as having the cold gleam of the fanatic, deepest and thoughtful eyes used to looking at death. Okay, this is the first answer. Second, why do you think the narrator chose not to give the main character a name? Okay, why do you think the narrator chose not to give the main character of a name? Answer: Liam O'Flaherty likely chooses not to name the main character because the sniper could have been anyone. Okay, कोई भी anyone हो सकता था स्नाइपर ने, तो वो नाम तो उसका दे नहीं सकता था, कोई भी एक हो सकता था स्नाइपर. The civil war that raged in Ireland was non-discriminatory. Family members stood on different sides, as did neighbors and friends. Okay, this is your second answer. Now third question is, how is the sniper's life threatened? ठीक है, how is the sniper's life threatened? Answer: the sniper's life is threatened when he is targeted by an enemy sniper on another rooftop. He is hit when the other man fires. Suddenly, a shot rang out and the rifle clattered to the roof. The sniper thought the noise would wake the dead. Okay, this is the third answer. Fourth one, what risk does the sniper decide to take after killing the enemy? What he has decided, I'll explain in the chapter. क्या वो डिसाइड करता है जब वो अपने एनिमी को मार देता है? The sniper decided to take the risk of ascertaining the identity of the enemy sniper. When the sniper reached the laneway on the street level, he felt a sudden curiosity as to the identity of the enemy sniper. When the sniper reached the laneway on the street level, he felt a sudden curiosity as to the identity of the enemy sniper whom he had killed. Okay? Next is question number 5. What happens to the gunner and the old woman? The sniper killed both the gunner and the old woman, as the old woman was the informer. Okay? The sniper raised his rifle and fired. The head fell heavily on the turret wall. The woman darted towards the side street. The sniper fired again. The woman whirled round and fell with a shriek into the gutter. Okay? These all answers you will get in book. These all words you will get in the book. Okay? I have explained the summary. So when the school reopens, we will again deal with the chapter. Next is question number 6. Describe the Republican sniper used to kill the other sniper. So the Republican sniper, taking off his cap, placed it over the muzzle of his rifle He pushed the rifle upward till the cap was visible from the opposite side of the street. Immediately a bullet burst the cap. The cap clipped down the street, catching the rifle. The sniper dropped his hand over the roof and let it hang lifelessly. After some moment, the rifle dropped to the street and sank to the roof. Okay, here this answer is completed. Next is now question number 7th. How does the sniper feel about war after he killed his enemy? Give reasons. So answer is, the sniper is filled with joy when he accomplishes his mission, killing the enemy. This was his mission. Directly after, however, he is filled with remorse. In the end, we can infer that the sniper would like to see the war come to an amicable solution. Then when the smoke cleared, he peered across the uttered a cry of joy. His enemy had been hit. This is answers number 7. Now answer question number 8. Describe the incident where the sniper sees that he has killed his brother at the very end of the story. Do you think the man killed was the sniper's real brother or a brother's like friend? Okay. So answer, we are not privy to the sniper's reactions or emotions after he realizes that he has just killed his brother. He must have believed that his victim was his brother and not merely a friend. Okay. So this is your last answer. You write this answer in your copy and see one by one answers properly. If it is not clear, pause your video and zoom at the words properly. Zoom at the words properly and write it down. Note it down in your copy. Previous copy, whichever copy you would be having, previous copy, no need to buy new copy. Everything is closed now, so copy you will not get. Write in your previous copy. Write down the answers properly and learn it. Learn it because we will have very less time. Due to this lockdown, our time is passing away. School reopens and I'll teach you physically. That time, whatever doubts you have, you will clear it out. Okay? Learn it properly, write it properly, and stay at home. Be safe. Thank you.